A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Hello everyone, my name is Ashman Singh. I have been in this school for the past 12 years and this has been an incredible journey. The school has not only helped me excel in all aspects of life, but also shaped me as a leader, orator, and a confident teenager. I have been nominated for the post of head boy and cultural captain, and I need your support. I used to be a quiet, timid child in Sopan, but the encouragement and support by my seniors helped me build confidence and get rid of stage fright. Likewise, I want to help each one of you to realize your potential and discover capabilities in any field you like. My main motive is to introduce the 3 R's, which are reach, respect, and relationship. Let's start with reach. Each one of us has potential, yet not many have truly discovered it. One of my main priorities would be to create opportunities for everyone to display their skills. Coming to respect. In order to promote a healthy classroom, we need to respect each other. I would like to create an environment where there is respect for one and all. Lastly, relationship. We need to realize that friends and teachers are one of the most important part of school life, and having a good relation with them can bring out the most in any child. So I seek your cooperation, for nothing can be done by a leader alone. A leader is one who has a vision and has the ability to share it. Please vote for me as your next head boy or cultural captain. A vote for me is a vote for you.
Vote for me is a vote for you. I was a seed that was planted in this beautiful hill. Well, I'm not gonna say any of that. I just have a question. How many of you think there should be a more effective way of communication? Many would say yes. Well, that's my objective. Connecting. A platform where we all could communicate, share our problems and find solutions. Good morning everyone. I am Dheeraj Talani and I've been nominated for the post of head boy. In the past, I've been entrusted with several responsibilities. With that, I've scored 97% in my boards. I have achievements in athletics, Olympiads, quizzes and ICT as well. But that's much less as compared to what I want to do. I don't just want to be a bridge. I want to walk with you, talk with you as we move ahead on the bridge. I've learned a lot. I've learned from each event, learned from each one of you, and I want you all to improve. At the end, I want you all to say 2020 was bad, but someone tried to make it better. Please consider voting. Thank you.
The voice which you need and the voice which should lead. To lead you tomorrow, the support today is a must. Promise that I won't betray your trust. Promise that I won't betray your trust. Greetings teachers and students. I'm able to stand here today only because of one reason. That is that I had faith in myself. I've seen myself as a person who was not confident enough to even stand on the stage. But I am a confident orator today who has brought laurels to the school by winning Best Speaker in the Delhi College debate, in the Mayo College debate and the Doon School debate respectively. From playing cricket just for fun to representing the school in 10 inter-school cricket tournaments, I've always tried to make my school feel proud in whatever work I do. All this was possible because I had faith in myself. Therefore, I can assure you that whenever you will do something, I will have faith in you as well and will provide you the inner strength which will help you to succeed. Dear friends, I don't want to be the kind of leader who wants the people to follow him. I want to be the kind of leader who will move along with you people because I am one of you people. And yes, to lead you tomorrow, I need your support today. So if you think that I am worthy enough to get your worthy votes, please do vote for Prashant Sharma as your next head boy or cultural captain. Thank you so much.
From scoring the debut goal for the under-19 team only at the age of 12 to scoring the debut goal for the Indian team at 15, my journey as an enthusiastic learner and leader began. Throughout this journey, I've carried the word responsibility on my shoulders and the word pride in my heart. The legacy of this school has been carried till date, and I'll make sure it is carried forward too. It would be my intense agony to not being able to serve the school for the entire period physically. I'll hardly have 6 to 7 months left in my hand to showcase my capabilities. But I assure you, I'll dedicate my entire self from toe to head during this tenure, and I'm ready to take that extra mile just to make you smile. To all of you out there, the athletes, the literary masters, the musicians, and the amazing dancers, I'll make sure all of you get the glory you deserve. No one would be left behind, not even in the darkest dreams. I've been called a warm person who is easy to reach out. You know the term Ghoda? Yeah, that's me. Not only because I'm the fastest on the ground, but also because I'm focused towards my goals and oriented towards my targets. There's not a single element which could distract me from not heading towards my goals. The school has given me lot many opportunities to showcase my talent, my skills, and even help me to reconcile. And now it's my turn to give the school and its children back, but using the compound interest formula. Last but not the least, just remember, any intellectual fool can make things bigger, more complex, more violent, but it takes a touch of a genius and a lot of courage to move in the opposite direction. And here I am to give that touch to the Sanskar family. Thank you everyone. Myself Ritik Kumar, standing up for the post of head boy. Thank you.
Greetings everybody, I am Arzu Singh, one of the nominated candidates for the post of head girl and the deputy head girl. Place Military Hospital Meerut, 25th October 2004, time 11:10 am. A girl with peculiar grey-blue eyes, that would be me, was born. Now the colour is changed to military olive green. The same with my father glisteningly adorns with a swagger as that of the uniform my father wears. For all those who don't know me, it would be worthwhile to know that I joined the school in 2018 and since then have actively been a member and participant of several events in the school like MUN's national debates, poetry, singing, dance and cultural events while simultaneously pursuing my academic excellence. I had a dream and I yearned, strived and lived, and this moment is one of them, but not without you, not around you, but with you. Shoulder to shoulder, hand in hand, we as a team. I wish we weren't in this pandemic. I wish I could interact with everybody in person, face to face. Well, we all want something, but I know despite that, we are together in our thoughts, in our purposes, in our goals, and in our missions. And I am one of you, one amongst you, to be a bridge in your mission and needs to unruffle what may bother you, to pave where you tread, and jointly and collectively we shall achieve what we have aimed with the sole motto of one for all and all for one. Aptly to say, to see a world in a grain of sand and heaven in a wild flower, hold infinity in the palm of your hands and eternity in an hour. By William Blake. This moment is that speck in time in our life when we have a choice. In me you have a friend and a colleague who dreams alongside you for a larger goal and purpose. I shall not disappoint you. Let us do it together. Each one of you, choose wisely and let your choice be me and you, because you see you in me. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Ability is nothing without opportunity, and the Sanskar Valley School has been instrumental in providing numerous opportunities to sharpen our skills and motivating us to be our best. With the love and support of all, I, Bhumika Agarwal, has been nominated for the post of head girl or deputy head girl. In March 2016, I joined this prestigious institution as a very timid, nervous and self-conscious girl. I always thought myself to be an average, but this school proved me otherwise. This school gave me the recognition that this is Bhumika Agarwal, who is a very friendly, caring and approachable girl. I almost started feeling myself as a very part of Sanskar family. The COVID-19 pandemic situation has changed the mode of learning, yet it has not changed the passion for service. I will do what I can with what I have, where I am, to lead my friends and my school during this pandemic situation. The person speaking in front of you is a very trustworthy, helpful and hardworking Bhumika. I believe over the past 4 years, this school has given me the knowledge, education and everything to fulfill the qualities to become a prefect. As a student, I also have the confidence to put forward various new ideas which can benefit others. Also, I have the courage and compassion to listen to the need of others. I would like to conclude that I am very proud of my school and it would be my great honor to represent it. Thank you for paying heed. This is Bhumika Agarwal, nominated for the post of head girl, deputy head girl. If you feel I am deserving, please do vote for me. Your vote means a lot.
In the last 24 hours though, I have written and rewritten so many drafts that one might question how sure I am of my capabilities. However, it is simply because I did not know what would be enough to get you to trust me with something that we all love, our school. In my years at Sanskar, I've really lived. I learned and unlearned several things every day within those walls and now, well, within the windows of Microsoft Teams. Be it when I was helping my juniors with the speeches for upcoming competitions or assisting my seniors to get my batch to come together. I've been there for it all, to not just hear but listen, to not just see but observe. I grew up in those corridors. I committed blunders on World Speech Day but made up for it by ending up as the most promising speaker of the year. Over the years, I have come to realize that this journey is bigger than the highs and lows of my life. It's not just about me or you. It's about the sense of community we invoke in each other. This school has been there for me when my chest swelled with pride or when my heart had been reduced to molecules. This school is the Netflix to my quarantine. Enough about me, more about why me. I learned how to have the confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and developed the compassion to listen to others. I learned that a true leader does not always ask for credit, rather focuses on the growth of herself and others surrounding her. Somehow, the logo on the top left corner of our uniform soaked into my heart and gave me a sense of belonging. Be it staying back for founders when the schools load up in golden hues, or the almost deafening sound when the government falls in the political party committee in ICANN. Each instance gave me goosebumps and the realization that at the end of the day, all of us had this one thing in common, that was being a Sanskari. And to serve this community as a leader would be an honor for me. Now in this context, you can either call me Lavanya, or if you're slightly more daring, oh Captain, my Captain.
Easy in manner, solid as steel, not afraid to propose what is bold, does not conform to the usual mold. So much of a leader worthy of trust. Today as I stand here, I will do what I must. Greetings to one and all. This is Mehak Chaudhary and have been nominated for the position of the head girl and the cultural captain. Today I'm not here to tell you about my achievements. I'm here to tell you about the real Mehak. Well, who is she? She's that girl who has loved stage from the beginning. She's that young girl with dreams and ambitions soaring high in the sky. She's that girl who can look at a challenge dead in the eye and give it a wink. Your second thought may be that why should you vote for me? And I will state just 3 things and will make it as simple as possible. Firstly, I strongly believe in my hustle. That is, if I try hard for something, then the stars do align themselves. Secondly, being the Sopan captain 3 years back, I'm aware of the flaws and mistakes that I made as a leader. I stand here not only as an experienced leader, but also as a polished one who has vision, courage, integrity, and focus. Lastly, I have my own imperfections and I have learned to accept them. I do not mind being the odd one out. Every task I take upon my shoulders, I'm passionate and determined about it. 13 years in this institution has been a wonderful journey, and I want to make this journey just as memorable as it was for me, for you also. I will surrender the me for we. This is Mehak Chaudhary from 11th Humanities, nominated for the post of the head girl and the cultural captain. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhiraj Bagga and I have been nominated for the post of sports captain. In these 12 years, the school has made me understand my real self and has made me grow as a complete sportsman. I've participated in various football tournaments, be it IPSC or state level, and I've realized my true potential. And I want you to believe in yourself and discover capabilities in the vast field of sports. I secured 94.8% in my 10th board, which means I can balance sports and academics at the same time. I believe dedication, discipline, and teamwork make a team win championships, and if we work together, we can make an excellent team. I want to help and encourage you to do better in the sports field. So if you think I deserve to be a sports captain, please do vote for me. Thank you.
Unlike my fellow batchmates, I did not come into the school as a small boy with a bottle around my neck, but I came as a maturing teenager. I joined the Sanskar family with an ambition to transform myself into a confident, aware, and responsible young adult. Today, As I am presented with the opportunity to serve my school, I can proudly say the school has nurtured me like a growing sapling and shaped my identity. Having been the captain of our school football team, I truly understand the meaning of leadership and camaraderie. Sharing the field with numerous talented people over the years has taught me the importance of collaboration, adaptability, and hard work, which are qualities I believe are essential in a leader. As a Sanskarian, I have had the honor of representing our school at both the international and national level. I was a part of the Indian team in the Asian School Championship 2019. All the great leaders in the world have known to be very balanced in their approach to life. Following suit, I have managed to balance my school life by participating and excelling in sports, academics, and co-curricular. This is reflected in my ICSE result, where I secured 93.6% along with my regular enrollment in various other activities. My achievements and my past is behind me. My present is in front of you, and my future is up to you. Bikram Singh Virk, nominated for the post of sports captain. Thank you.
Walking over here sent a chill down my spine. I finally realized I was only this nervous when I entered the school 12 years ago. My love and interest for sports emerged in the early years of my life when I was selected in the under 14 cricket team at the age of just 11 and was being asked to lead the team 1 year later. Sports has taught me leadership, hard work, loyalty, and most importantly, grace. I like when there are responsibilities on my shoulders. For those of us who couldn't express in words, football became my language. From wearing the school jersey to wearing the Indian jersey. From saving goals to scoring them. From getting a 95 in my ICSE boards exam to leading the Indian team. I truly believe I was made for it. With great pride, I tell you that I am a 2-time state level player, 3-time national level player, and I have also captained the Indian team in the Asian Games of 2019. I have been in this school for last 12 years. That's about 12,000 minutes running around on the big field, 8,000 passes, 3,000 shoots, just to train for a few 1-hour games here and there. There has never been a dive or a step that I have regretted, because people who give their best never regret doing this. It's a great pleasure being in this school, and I'll be esteemed to lead it. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. This Sanskar Valley School has provided me with loads of opportunity and I really wanted to endure them all. With my enthusiasm towards all of the occasion on the ground of Sanskar with teachers' guidance, I have been given the opportunity to bring honor, grace and rank to this family. Being a student since past 2 years, I have contributed my all to make this school outshine. I am determined and focused to lead the path and make ways in order to achieve coordination and success. I have always been the type of girl who would stand up, raise her voice and make her place within the crowd. With that, I assure you, I'll listen to all your grievances and suggestions, and as your leader, I'll make sure your words are combined with my action. Here, I won't list down my achievement because that wouldn't make me a good leader. A good leader is not someone who has achieved a lot, but someone who is willing to work with his team and make them achieve a lot. Your vote for me is a vote for performance and team working. Lastly, I would like to conclude by saying that I not only aim to occupy this position, but I want to bring out the sportsmanship in all of us. I, Anisha Agarwal, thank you for listening. If you feel I'm deserving enough, please do vote for me as your next sports captain. I'll not let you down. Thank you.
Sports is not only fieldwork and practice, but it comes with patience, teamwork, exposure and acceptance of failure. Trust me, I've experienced it all from a very young age, and thus I will be able to understand all your problems and will be able to come up with effective solutions as well. I am ready to take this responsibility as I've represented our school for multiple sports at various levels. Your demand is my priority. I am ready to enhance the experiences on your demands. I am very approachable and I can be your go-to person for any difficulties which you face. And with the help of the cooperative and supportive sports staff, I am sure I will be able to resolve them as well. For any questions or queries, you can always text me on Instagram or WhatsApp. This is Diva Zalani, wanting to be your next sports captain. Your worries, my voice, your vote, my name. Thank you.
Yesterday, when I realized I finally need to write the speech, I dribbled my basketball like a maniac, pondering as to what to write. And after a solid half an hour of pondering, it struck me and took me down my memory lane. Back to when I first embarked upon this journey at Sanskar in Prangan. Back to when I scored my first basket in Sopan. Back to when Nadeem sir patted my back out of pride. The list could just go on. And now that I've cherished my moments of nostalgia, I, Maitri Rathod, ask you for support. Your support in helping me become the next sports captain of our school. You see, this role is not just an honor or a mere title, it's also a responsibility, a duty, one that I know I can live up to. I know how to manage time efficiently, and I know how important it is to stay calm and collected during uncertain times. I know the one thing that basketball has always taught me is how to work as a team, how to lead a team, how to support a team, and how to be a team. And I want to be this team with each and every one of you. Together we can excel. Excel in sports, excel in communication, and excel in abilities to reach our full potential. So vote for me, and know in your hearts that I will earn your trust. I will be the bridge between our teachers and all of you, and I will, no matter what, tirelessly work hard to make changes in our school. Thank you.
Talent wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins championship. Good morning everyone, I am Hexan Chetty, have been nominated for the post of sports captain. It is possible to be in the way of excellence and still lose. Think about this for a moment. Would you rather experience playing, performing and competing at your all-time best in the zone and lose, or play awful, get lucky and win? When put in this perspective, the definition of winning and losing are not clear. In other words, it is possible to lose and still perform like a winner, just as it is possible to win and play like a loser. Ever since I was a child, I have believed that you should always try your best in every opportunity you get. You should put all your efforts despite thinking of the consequences. Trying is the first step towards success. And I'm sure that your dedication would ultimately pay off when all your dreams come true. Every leader is just as great as his team. To help me achieve this vision, I need your active and tacit support. Vote for me to ably support you in realizing your identity as an individual and a leader. Thank you.
Greetings all the members of Sanskar family. I'm not here just to put before you a complex speech, but rather to induce an incredible or a great movement to unite all of us, to unite our aspirations, to unite our voice, so that not a single Sanskarian should bury his dreams and passion just because others don't find his activity cool or popular. In this age of Instagram and Facebook, I remained attached with the roots of Indian Vedic literature and got third position representing my school in National Kalidas Samaroh. From skating nationals to street plays and Bhopal, I have shown my leadership qualities in the best possible way. And we all recite and murmurs the song when the band competition is going on. Even sometimes we feel just to explode and sing, but we just quietly sit in the 6th or 7th row of Umang Hall. Why? If you give me the chance to be your next cultural captain, I will be your voice, the voice of your dreams and your passion. I want you to raise your voice so that it can roar with the endless echoes in this valley. And now the end is near, so I may face the final curtain. I will say it clear, I will state my case of which I am certain. I have travelled this Sanskar journey at my best, whether it's boarding or day boarding highway. Much more than this, ladies and gentlemen, I did it my way. Thank you, do vote for me.
Respected principal and my beloved teachers, today as I stand and speak, I would like to connect to all the strong roots that I owe to my school, my teachers. The empathy, compassion and the skills that I possess wouldn't be possible without you all. It's because of all of you that I know myself as a leader. Time flies, and for me, it's been the cosmic 8th year in the school, with multifaceted experiences that make me talk to all the auditory senses that I'm connecting virtually. The opportunities I received, the ones I grabbed, and the representation I made at international and national forums of MUM, Round Square, debates, sports, ICANN, and I've shouldered the responsibility of the Vice Captain in Sopan. Not to forget the virtual experience wherein I discovered myself to be a competitive, reflective and action-oriented individual. It is my vision, my dream and my goal to be a part of the Prefectorial Council. Not to be a better person than anyone else, but to have the trust in the student body and to serve them with honesty and enthusiasm. At the end, I would like to say, all our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Thank you.
Years as a Sanskarian. For 11 years, I've been standing behind that auspicious podium in the Umang Hall and I've been expressing my opinions and thoughts without any filter. I've been dancing to the Tal of Ghungroos for 7 years. If I were to talk about my achievements, I've completed my 6-year Sarvabharati examination in Kathak with distinction each year. Not only that, I've represented our school in the International Udbhav Dance Competition and also many major events, and have taken part in countless inter-house competitions. At the Sanskar Valley School, the students are given a platform where they can grow in a whole-rounded environment, which in turn gives us the liberty to make our own opinions. As your cultural captain, I'll bring full transparency in the system, especially in the auditioning process. I'll make sure that every student who participates in the audition gets to know why they have or have not been chosen. I'll make sure to plan student-centric competitions for your benefit, for your comfort, and keep your preferences in my mind. And I promise to make a judgment-free environment where your opinion matters and where your voice is heard, because your voice is my priority. Do vote for me, Leher Tyagi, as your cultural captain. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanskriti Yadav from class 11th Humanities and I've been nominated for the position of Cultural Captain Girls. To talk about my achievements, I have a senior diploma in Kathak and folk dance and I'm a professionally trained Kathak dancer by Dr. Rakhi Dubey Joshi. I have also participated in many competitions in and out of the school. To name a few, I have participated in the Sanskar Virtual Fairs and also many inter-house dance competitions. Moreover, I have represented our school at the Udbhav Festival Gwalior and the Jindal Art Festival Hisar. One could say that I often take the term participate to a tremendous level. For example, I participated in various cultural events from representing our school, performing in every single commemoration day opening dance. Being part of my dance group, I believe that I possess great teamwork qualities. Also, I like to think that I'm a creative individual who will bring completely new ideas to the table next year. Most of all, and I believe most importantly, I am passionate. I'm passionate about a Sanskar Valley School. Having been around it since the age of 7, I want to see the changes made for the next generation of students. Hopefully, with the endorsement of you, my peers and my schoolmates, I will be able to represent the vast aspiration of our school. That is to say, I will be your spokesperson, your voice and your representative. This is Sanskriti Yadav, nominated for the position of Cultural Captain Girls, and I promise to give my best to see the Sanskarian flag fly high. Please do vote for me.